I'm a kill it overload, yeah. Ready fi go turn boy over. Drive shot in a head like Land Rover. Step on the men's militant like soldier fi send boy over home, yeah.
Yo, what's good YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco back with another crazy update. Yeah man people, today what, Thursday, January 4th, the 4th day of the new year. And a be a crazy things are going on Trini. First of all, I just want to say, yo, big up to all them people in Trinidad. You see me, and if you live in Trinidad, I hope you stay safe, stay prayed up, and you stay inside. Yeah man, today we have a crazy update gang. You see me, today man, yo, today apparently late last night really. You see me on the 3rd, early morning on the 4th really. You see me, there was a shooting in Puna Market in Trinidad. You see me, and you see me, 5 people got shot, 2 died, and I believe one of the person that died himself named Fadda 6Ixx. You see me, I say I'm not sure. You see me, I'm not sure about that. You know what I'm saying? It's not been confirmed as yet. But let me know what your thoughts in the comment section. Yeah man, apparently one of them named Fadda 6Ixx. I'm not sure which one. And you see me, I think he's, you know, allegedly he's a part of the 6 gang. We don't know yet. That hasn't been confirmed as yet. But man, yo, if it just be wow, the 4th day of the year, man, 5 more killing in a 1 day, man, that's crazy, gang. You know what I'm saying? They really hot outside. You see me? I say so. I hope you are staying for the stay safe. I'm gonna show you a small little footage at the shooting. You see me? I can give me your thoughts and opinion on this, man. Crazy situation. Take a look.
What you going on here, dog? Total failure. Dog, rest in peace by monster, boy, dog, boy. The fuck you, boy, dog, boy. The kill you, boy. Fuck, boy, dog, boy. Real failure, I think outside here. Real madness.
Don't move too much, not to move too much.
Real, let me move on then. Hey, boy, dog, boy, rest in peace, boy. That fucking rub them down at any dog. Police, boy. Yeah, one day. Yeah, gunmen going across. Gunmen going in the back of Monty Grant. We got man there in the corner. He dead. Yo, the man here dead here, boy. Hey, come on here, dead, boy. Block man again.
Watch my youth, man.
Dead.
Watch. All you do here. I don't like that. All you do here. No, all you do here. Just stay on your house.
Them police are going to have them in the back of the court.
Rest in peace, boy, dog, boy. R.I.P. boy, dog, boy. We outside. Kill them.
Yeah, can see.
Hey, Monty Grant, them fellas in the back there getting real wild. Them getting real wild. Them fellas getting real wild in the back of that right now, dog. But they nearly kill me, I know, boy. Dog, them, I telling you, boy. Yeah, man. Everybody, like, roll on. I think it might be done.
Yeah man, them people as you can see, crazy situation, man. You see me, I say? You see all the man I say, yo, they don't listen. Everybody have to stay inside, man. It's crazy situation, man. As you can see, yeah, they said two person died. One of them is supposed to be Fadda 6Ixx. I'm not sure it has been confirmed. And as you can see, a lady survived. They was actually putting her in the, if you can see, they was actually putting her in a Jeep, and I believe another guy, you see me, that survived. But yeah man, so 5 people shot, 2 died, 3 live. You know what I'm saying? Condolences and prayers to the family of the people that died, you see me, I say, as well as speedy recovery to the people that got shot. You know what I'm saying? Yeah man, crazy situation. But yes, also gang, we have a crazy update. You see me, Kman, they right now they've changed his name to K-Lion or something. No disrespect, RIP to K-Lion. But yo, Kman have a heart of a lion, brother. You see me, I say, because after all of the situation that's been happening, after being showed up, the man is on live outside basically, as Caan, Plumpy boss and the 7 them I say, yo, them afraid to come outside. You see me? You never see them man there live outside. Always inside them there when them a go live. You see me? I say, crazy situation, guy. But I tell you, say, Kman brave, because after that situation, me that be like, yo, dog. You see me? Either me a pray if you just finish everything in one go, or peace. But the dog say, yo, them man afraid to come outside. You see me? I say, I'll show you footage. Check a look.
Boxer juice are drinking. Something wrong with that? Something wrong with that and all, boy? What the fuck, boy? Some of them can't go live outside, you know. Oh, you them talk the talk, eh? You don't ever see them going live outside, you know. Guys, I don't know where he is. Somebody know where he is. You ever see her going live, you know. Omg Fadda 6Ixx. See them shut on them, they say be right in the song, but nobody don't really know about them, so. Never idea. Sure about that thing, man. I was wait. I must only go live in the studio, by and in the house, by. And no ever go live and show a street sign. I'm afraid enough fuck. Fish you pull it? You pull it? International. Fuck it. You wanna do? So me them afraid to go live outside. Plumpy and them. Fellas ain't going live and seeing a daylight like this at all. Inside in studio. I would have take shade up real bad. They go live outside. Come come on my life without a lot of talk. They go live outside like me. And we see who he is. Yeah, them artists boy and them. Yeah, like this Balaman Creator 7 on my life commenting. He like, man, you self study you, eh, dog, boy. You self study them, my dog, boy. You know, dog? Looking for attention, by dog, like a bad bitch, boy. Getting bad bitch on them. I'm telling you. You have noticed here, boy. First of all, nobody.
Yeah, man, people. Yeah, man, people. Crazy situation. Now, Kman there, I say, yo, the man they afraid to come outside, bro. You see me, I say, yeah, man, you never see them go live outside. The man they afraid. You see me, I always see him outside up on live or on his spliff. You see me, I say, but yeah, crazy situation, man. But yeah, also people, yeah, man, RIP to the people that lost their life. You know what I'm saying? Speedy recovery to the people who got shot. Crazy situation going on in Trinidad. Like me say, 1 and 7 million called peace. You see me, because we don't know who did it, you know. You see me, nobody knows who did it, who shot. You know what I mean? Shot out them, but yeah, the people got shot. So we don't know if that's the 7 do it or is another rival or enemy. We don't know as yet. That hasn't been confirmed, I said. But yeah, man, crazy situation I go on, gang. You see me, I say, yeah, man, crazy situation I go on. And yo, I don't even know if I said, I just hope y'all staying safe, man. You know, staying prayed up, staying inside. You see me, I say, you don't know. Till next time, gang, it's your boy Jambisco. And crazy update. You see me, take care of yourself and inshallah, love you guys. I'm out.
I always tell the truth, even when I lie.